Hello friends, Namaste. I'm Vasanta from VS Gardens. Today I want to show you the part 4 of my garden, where it is and what all plants I'm having. This is a small garden and I want to share with you. So this is how it is, the overview view of it. See here. I have some snake plant and amaranthus is there, snake plant is there, and some leafy vegetables are there, and some crotons are there here and there. So this is how it is, and here you can find here these fruit plants are also here. See here, this is the Saphodilla plant, and it is having some fruits also on it. You can see some fruits also. This is 2 years old and I have got, this is the 4th time I am getting these fruits, but still I have to take care about it. Regular fertilizing should be done. That is lacking. I have to take more care. And I have these 3 colors of coleus plants. You can see 3 colors, that is the green color it is, and green, and here you can find some colors, and here you can see here 3 colors are there, and this is the curry leaf. And here one brinjal plant has also grown. So if I take care, I can get brinjals down also on emergency use. So this is how my small garden is, and this is the star fruit. Okay, star fruit, and this is night queen at the back. At the back, I'm having this plant here. This I have purchased recently. So this star fruit is getting small flowers also. So cute, isn't it? So in the morning they were very beautiful. They have the flowers were there, and now they have closed up. So this is how it is. And even here I'm having some roses. Rose plants are there. See here. And some buds are also coming here. You can see these buds are coming here. Here also some buds. But we have to take a lot of care about these rose plants if we want some flowers. Even kalonchis are there. You can see here. Okay, so here you can see kalonchi also. Okay, next here it is like this. You can see bougainvilleas, and some aloe vera is there, tulsi is there, and vinca roses are there, and that is this custard apple plant has grown there. You can see then custard apple, even brinjal is there far away from here, there in that white bucket, and here like this it is. And even this side also have grown some plants, and this is like this. It's not full. I mean, I can't show you any flowers and all because what happened, I tell you. What happened, the mistakes, what mistakes I've done. The mistake is I have put all these outside, and those are all bougainvillea plants there. And what happened is I didn't know that even bougainvilleas will be eaten up by these goats and all. Because there will be thorns, no, that is why I didn't think so, but they have come and just munched off all the flowers. So this is leftover. This flower is only leftover. This rose flower. Even roses also they are eating up, and even these bougainvilleas also they are eating up. All it is. They are even these chrysanthemums. These also they ate up everything. That is why I want to arrange something so that they won't come inside like this. This is only temporary. I can arrange because this part they will develop something, it seems. They will develop some grass beds or something. It is there. It is not, this place doesn't belong to us. Okay, so they want to the developers want to put some grass beds on it. So this is temporary only. So I am not able to do anything permanently. So what is the gardening mistake is that I have to put them without any security. I have put those things. And next what I have done is this. These are all. These don't we can't grow anything in this because they are broken already. This is last year I have purchased and all are broken. So don't buy this type of containers. They are cheap, but don't buy because they are very delicate, and due to the hot sun they won't survive. And these are good. Even bigger size you can get. So many sizes are different sizes are there on this. So even these are better for the small plants. We can use this type of containers also, but this mistake is that type of containers we should not choose. And next mistake is the larger containers also went, see here, the larger containers are also wrongly purchased. For trees and all, I thought that these will be useful, but this is not useful at all. Okay, so this type of container is good for us. See here, this container is very good for us, and this is breaking up already. So these are the 3 mistakes I have done, and there are so many mistakes. I'll tell you again. I'll tell you afterwards. I mean, when we start gardening and experiencing something, we will be knowing what mistakes we have done, and we will be gaining more and more knowledge on this. Okay, so these are the 3 things. I will tell you in my next video what all many mistakes are there. So I'll tell you what all mistakes I have done, and I want to end up this video here. Okay, then, thank you and bye. Happy gardening.